problem 2-78, and we're going to be doing part C in this video. So let's copy down what we have over here. So we have 6x plus 2 minus 1 minus 4x minus 3 minus 2x and plus 2. So as with the previous ones we were doing, you can either just try to solve it algebraically, or you can move to the algebra tiles to kind of help move things around. So let's start with the algebra tile side of things. So here it is. Let's make sure that we have everything written out correctly. We have 6 x's. We have 2 positive ones, a negative 1, 4 negative x's, 3 negative ones, 2 negative x's, and positive 2 over here. So it looks about right. So everything's already in the positive area. So the best thing to do here is just start making zeros or combining like terms. So we have a 1 and a negative 1. We have another 1 and a negative 1 here. Looks like we have another couple 1 and negative 1 pairs. So we can make quite a few zeros here. Alright, and then there are some more pairs we can make with the x's. So if we move all the positive ones here, we can just align all these negative ones here. Oh, and it looks like with these two over here as well, we'll actually have all of the pairs meet up, and so they all become 0, and so we're left with nothing. So we can do the same thing over here without algebra tiles, but it might be a bit easier if we just group everything. So let's go through and group up all the x terms we see. So we have a 6x, we have a negative 4x, and we have a negative 2x. And then we can go, and that's all the x's, so now let's grab all the things that don't look like x's. So we have a positive 2, a negative 1, a negative 3, and a positive 2. So then we're in the algebra tiles, we're trying to find 0 pairs. We can over here just do the same thing, but look at grouping similar terms. So we have a positive 6x and a negative 4x. So that's going to be 2x, but then we have a negative 2x here. So overall, we're not going to have any x's. But to that, we'll be adding these terms. They're all similar, so we can group them together. We have a positive 2 and a negative 1, which is going to be 1, minus 3 more. So 1 minus 3 is going to be negative 2. And then finally add 2. So negative 2 plus 2 is going to be 0. So all the x terms are going to group together and make 0. And all these terms, so 2 minus 1 minus 3 plus 2, also going to be 0. So overall, part C, so this big long expression, actually just simplifies to 0.